Here's a short guide with tips on how to make the most of your MyCVBot dashboard. First, you need to sign up for MyCVBot using the registration form available on our homepage. You'll need to enter the first and last name of the person using the service, your email address, choose a password, and provide consent to proceed. When you register for free, you must confirm your subscription by clicking the confirmation link you'll receive via email. The link will take you directly to your dashboard, where you'll see your 2 free credits, some examples of job application optimization. Take some time to familiarize with all the sections of the dashboard. On the top part of the page, there are 2 important boxes. The first box is where you upload your profile image. Upload a headshot like the one you use on LinkedIn. Make sure the photo is 50 by 50 pixels so that it displays correctly in the PDF resumes we generate for you. You'll also find the link to our referral program, where you can invite friends and colleagues and earn free credits once at least 3 people register on MyCVBot. Once you find a job posting online that interests you, you're ready to start optimizing your job application with MyCVBot. You'll find the results of this and all your previous applications in the history section, where you can download all the AI-generated text for each one. Visit MyCVBot now and get your free credits to start optimizing your job applications.